Myntri katanat Sports and Youth Affairs ka jela ubak wailat miki shla ha ka khat trik jelio ula Pynpaw ya ka jingsngew skhem pa ka jingpen kre ya ka National Games ka banwan kelayat ha ka lenti ka badai ha ka ba ya barok ki project ki barang sateng lakmi lenti ba on la ban pendap hapo ka por balabu Myntri ula ongru panakaliang Myntri ka sorkar pedeng ubak mi ya katanat sports dangshen ula bishar benya ha ka baya day ber ka jingya jungi kam ki baya day ber kini ka jingpen kre ha ka jela lada pikin mau dang ha kini kindat tayo baladam Myntri ka sorkar pedeng ubak mi ya katanat sports ula penlong ka jingle jurib benya ha ka baya day ber ki jingpen kre ha ka ba ula Pynpaw ya ka jingsngew hun ban yo i bagi kam kilaya shakmat ong uba wailan ula kubur halor ki jingpen slam ki ba malu mala Henry ula Pynpaw bakim dei satya ka jingsong kya ki bakongsan kidon malu mala ki mat ki baya dei berkikat tu ka nigi project Henry ngidon ye ka jingai ba on la ban pendap hapo kapor balabu ong Myntri ban pentik na ye ka jingai bet ya renti jong ka nigi lumpung ilek kai ka jela kala thau ye ka kinhun ka bakerpang kumba barop hiatip gila thau ye ka National Games Society na kabenta ka jingat bet ya renti bat ki jingpen kre ula benram ula ongru bala batha ya katanat bakan thau ya ka komiti na kabenta ban penbit penbiang ye ki jingdon kam bakongsan ngala batha ya katanat bakan sedang bantung ye ki ofisar na kabenta ki komiti ba pher ki ban khmi benya ye ki jingpen biang na kabenta ki jakasa kalet kawan ka koi ke kya bat ki wei pat ki benta ngalakin tuwe ki bakin pendap ia kani ka jingthong hapo ka shibnai bat hadien kani ngansak mi benya biang ya ka jingpen kre na ka benta ka National Games ula ong
If you remember, I think just few weeks back, our Union Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs was here for his visit, and then he himself took stock of the preparation here, and I think he himself also have spoken to press that mentioning that he's quite happy with the progress made till now. No doubt there are a little bit of issue with few projects, but we are fully confident that they will be completed on time. So no doubt, side by side now, as you all know that we already formed the national game this society where because we want to speed up things, because if we every time we have to send the files to secretariat, it will take much longer time. So that's why for the smooth functioning we already formed the national game this society, and then now I already directed the department also to start appointing the people responsible for different committees, for the accommodation, for the transportation, for this health and other committees. There will be different committees. So I have asked them also that in the month's time that they should put people. So after that, then I can call one by one committee where I can review and I can ask their preparedness for the national games.